everyone, this is Reena from Mrs. Reena's Cocoon. I hope you all are fine and safe at your end, right? You are all fine, right? So let's see the video. This video is about how to introduce blend sounds to your tiny one. This is the continuation of our previous video in which I already introduced how to introduce blend sound using letter L. And in this video, I'll show you how to use letter R and make a blend sound. And also, I'm going to show you how to introduce double E words. So this is level 5. Before that, make sure that your children are thorough with level 1. That is introduction of letters and its sounds and introduction of vowel and consonants. And the second level is joining a vowel with consonant, and also make sure that the third level, that is joining how to make 3-letter words by joining the sounds of each letter. Now let's see the video. Today I'm going to use letter R for making blend sounds. Okay, let me use letter B. Letter B, the sound says B, B. The sound of letter B is B, B, and the sound of letter R, R, B, R, B, R, R, B, R. Ask your child to use it little faster, like this. B, R, B, R, B, R, Br, 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 Br. So, Br, joining B and R together, we make a single sound, Br, Br. Now let me take letter K. K, R, K, R, K, R, K, K, R. Fast. K, R, K, R, K, R, K, R, K, R. Right? K, R. Now with letter D, D, D and R, D, R. The same way, little faster. D, R, D, R, D, R, D, R, D, R, D, R, D, R. Okay. F. Let me take letter F. Along with F, R, F, R, F, R, F, R, F, R, F, R. Fast. F, R, F, R. Now letter G. Consonant G. G and R. The sound of G is G, R, G, R, G, R, G, R, Gr, 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 Gr. Right? Easy? Yes. Now let me use letter P. P and R. P, R, Pr, P, R, Pr, 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 Pr. Ask your child to continuously just repeat it. P, R, P, R, Pr, Pr. Right? Then let me use one more letter, that's T. T and R. T, R. The sound of T is T, R, T, R, T, R, Tr, Tr. Right? I'll repeat the sounds. B, R, Br, K, R, Kr, D, R, Dr, F, R, Fr, G, R, Gr, P, R, Pr, T, R, Tr. Now I'm going to join the combination of vowel and consonant. This we have already learned in level 2, right? Joining a vowel with a consonant like a, a, and, e, b, ib. Now I'm going to join this combination with this blend so that we can make a word. Now br. I'll add br, a, bran. One more. I'll add d, br, and d, br and d, br and d, br and d, br and brand. Right? So by joining like this, the child will be able to read a word. Now kr, kr. Let me join a, b together. A, b, together. Crab, 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 crab. Right? Okay, now let's see dr. Dr. I'll join dr with dr, dr, drum. So this is a combination of a blend sound along with vowel and consonant. Together you can make a word. Now the next one is fr. Fr. Let me join og. G. Fr. Og. Frog. 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 Isn't it very easy to make your child read like this? Yes, right? Frog. Frog. Now the next one is gr. Gr. Let me join O and W together. O. Okay. Gr. O. Grow. Gr. O. Grow. Right? Next one is pr. Pr. P and R together. Pr. Pr. Let me join am. Pr. Am. Pr. Am. Pram. While introducing these words, if you can show the pictures of all these words, this will help your child to read little more easily, little more faster. Now the next one is tr. What is it? Tr. T and R together. Tr. 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 Now let me add double E. Tree. Double E together. Tree. Okay. Again I'll add one more letter like tr. App. Trap. Trap. This is how you should join the blend sounds with the level 2 vowel and consonant combination together, and you can make your child read words, 4-letter words, 5-letter words. I will try some more words, just see that. Now let me show you how to read these words. I have segregated like this. See, cr together, blend of consonant C and R sound together. Cr, a and k. C and K together. Again k. This is also a diagram. It's kind of a blend. This particular combination we will look into the next video. So now kr, a, k. Kr, a, k. Crack. The next one is again kr, ag, ag, kr, ag, crag, crag. Now kr, double E, kr, e, p, creep, kr, eep, creep. Okay, this is how we should segregate so that make your child read easily. Now, cr is p, cr is p, crisp, right? Isn't it easy? Cr, op, crop, cr, ow, crown. Together, cr, ow, crown. Dr, aw. Draw. Dr, s, double S together. S. Dr, S, dress. Dr, ink, drink. Drink. Dr, ink, drink. And here, D and R together, one single sound. Dr, wide. Dry. When there is a combination of two sounds, like only two sounds, the ending sound of Y says I sound. For example, here we have D and R together, dr, one single sound, right? And Y, dry. Now just try this. M, one single sound. Y, my. B, Y, buy, right? And again, let me try this one. Y, fry. And this is Y, try, right? And one more I can just show you. There one more like Y, fly. When there is only two sound, combination of two sounds, the ending sound of Y, the sound of Y is Y, I, fly, Y, my, I, dry, buy, like this. Now here we have one more set of words. Let me show you again. S together. The sound of double S together. Press. The next one is G and R, gr. E and Y together, A. The combination of E and Y together, ye, gray. Here, T and R together, im, trim, right? Next one is truck. A and Y together, A. E and Y together, A. A and Y together, A. Tray. Grill. Grill. Now let me show you how to make your child read double E words. Double E. The sound of E separated, that's A. When you join double E together, the sound is E. E. Right? It's a long E. Eel. Tree. And E. The sound of double E is E. Tree. B. Eat. Meat. Heel. Jeep. Feet. Seed. Isn't it very easy? I hope now it is really easy for you to make your child read double E words, right? So friends, hope this video is going to be a useful one for you. In our next video, the next level 6 video will be a blend sound of sh, ch and k. So see you all soon. Take care. Bye bye.